Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. If you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And today I am going to be sharing how I'm going to make over this Target Dollar Spot mailbox so that it will match the decor in my home a bit better. So stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is chalk paint the mailbox, and I use a piece of wax paper and just pour the paint out onto it, and then I just start painting. It actually took 3 coats of paint to cover up the designs on the mailbox, so I put the 3 coats on and then let it sit overnight to dry. Then you'll see shortly after it had dried, I took some washi tape I got at the Target Dollar Spot also. It's XO washi tape. And I'm going to put that along the edges of the mailbox. Then I took some gold washi tape and put it next to the XO washi tape. And then I took some stickers I had for my Happy Planner that were hearts and put it over the front of the mailbox. Next, I took a cardboard tube from wrapping paper and I adhered it to the bottom of the mailbox. That's to create a post for the mailbox. So, are you ready to see the finished product? Well, here it is. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. It goes nicely with the other Valentine decor that I have this year, which is a black, white, and gold theme. And I like it so much better than what it looked like before. So I needed this mailbox for an upcoming challenge. So come back and see how I've used this in my actual decor. And that way you can see why I wanted it to look the way I wanted it to look. So that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button in the description box down below or the icon in the corner down there. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. I hope you're having a wonderful new year so far. And I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.